Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best dining room tables on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Signature Design Dining Room Table. Do you have a low budget? Well, you should look at the Signature Design Dining Room Table. It's a stunning addition to any dining room. The warm wood seats are comfortable to sit on, while the farmhouse-style tabletop creates a cozy atmosphere, making it a great spot for gathering friends and family. The craftsmanship and durability of this piece are truly remarkable. This table is made of veneers and manufactured wood and will last years. The legs have a dark brown stained wood finish that will stand out in your home. And with the easy-to-follow instructions, hardware, and tools included, the assembly process is a breeze. What we like about it: cost-effective solution, incredibly versatile and durable, farmhouse-style tabletop. What we don't like about it: it needs better packaging protection. Number 2. Vasicle Dining Room Table. The Vasicle Dining Room Table is an attractive, eye-catching piece of furniture that will surely bring character to any room. Its industrial-style design, with a heavy-duty metal frame and unique matte black square legs, creates an impressive look. The engineered wood top and steel frame provide a load capacity of 220 pounds, and the adjustable feet and rounded corners offer stability and safety. Whether hosting a big family gathering or enjoying a casual lunch with friends, this table has plenty of room for everyone. This table is easy to assemble, so you can quickly set it up as soon as your meal is ready. What we like about it: decent dining area, easy assembly process, alloy steel bars. What we don't like about it: the screws don't line up with the holes. Number 3. Christopher Knight Home Dining Room Table. Christopher Knight Home Dining Room Table is perfect for any dining area. This table combines sleek and finished lines with natural acacia wood to create a beautiful look. The simplicity of the legs adds an eye-catching element. The high-quality acacia wood material ensures this table is built to last and can withstand wear and tear over time. With a generous area, this table provides plenty of space for family dinners or entertaining guests. This dining table requires assembly, but it is straightforward to put together. This product includes all the necessary tools and hardware, so you'll have everything you need to enjoy this table as soon as possible. Plus, the acacia wood materials are easy to wipe down and maintain for years of use. What we like about it: durable and long-lasting, easy to set up, sturdy top and legs. What we don't like about it: gaps between the wood. Number 4. Walker Edison Dining Room Table. The Walker Edison Dining Room Table is elegant and stylish for any dining room. Its dimensions provide comfortable seating for up to 6 people. The tabletop is made from solid pine wood, giving it a sturdy construction that can support up to 150 pounds. It also features a distressed tabletop with painted legs to add visual appeal that perfectly complements a modern farmhouse style. This table is perfect for entertaining guests, and its spacious top allows plenty of room for your favorite dishes. Its neutral white and rustic oak color scheme will easily fit in with the existing decor of any room. The easy-to-follow assembly instructions simplify setup, so you can start enjoying your new furniture immediately. What we like about it: solid construction and material, distressed tabletop, sturdy and convenient legs. What we don't like about it: the instructions can be hard to follow. Number 5. Luckyermore Dining Room Table. This dining room table is a mid-century modern table that offers an attractive mix of materials and textures. It can fit 6 to 8 people, making it the perfect choice for family gatherings and parties. The stable X-base iron frame with no slip mats provides extra support and also reduces noise when moving while protecting your floors at the same time. What we like about it: stable and sturdy frame, completely waterproof surface, extra spacious design. What we don't like about it: the top isn't smooth. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.